Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my hair routine video. So I've been recently trying out some different hairstyles and I'm sure you guys have noticed. And I've also been doing a different hair straightening routine. You guys have been asking me to do one and I was just trying out some new products, and I'm going to be sharing with you guys my absolute favorite styling tools at the moment. And I'm also going to be sharing with you a few hairstyles for the summer for all my mamas out there. If you like to work out, just cute hairstyles that you can do on either day 2 or day 3 for your hair, because I know that I don't wash my hair every single day and I don't wash it every 2 days or 3 days. I wash it like maybe like twice a week. So I definitely have learned how to keep my hair straight. So I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. With that said, grab your cafecito, grab your hair tools if you want to do your hair with me or just watching me do it, and let's go ahead and jump into today's video. First things first, I gotta get my hair nice and dry before I go in with anything. So this is the KOSA Professionals blow dryer. It comes with 2 concentrator attachments and 1 diffuser attachment, which is this big old one right here. Love this one to make your hair super curly. I'm gonna go with a bigger diffuser to really straighten out my hair. Now, the one thing that I've noticed about this blow dryer, unlike anything that I've ever owned, you guys, and I've owned a lot of blow dryers, this one just feels so sturdy, and it does have different settings in the buttons, so you can get it to either be high heat, medium heat, or low heat. And again, I'm just showing you the attachments that will come with the blow dryer. I really like that you can just pop on the nozzles. I had this blow dryer before and oh my goodness, it was such a pain to attach the nozzles that I did not ever want to take them off because it was just a nightmare. So this will also limit the hair damage because you can control how much heat you put in the hair. I don't like to go in with too much heat, so I usually allow my hair to mainly air dry, and then I will go in with a blow dryer just to give me that extra bounciness to my hair. I do like my hair to be a little more full and voluminous. And so I take the blow dryer first, and as you can see, I just go strand by strand ish and I dry my hair to my likeness, and this is the difference. It looks so silky and soft, it feels soft, and this looks crazy and frizzy and out of control. And just like that, my hair is nice and dried. I wish it was that easy, right? Now we're going to jump in and straighten the hair because girl, it looks wild. So this is the KOSA Elite Styler, and the one I have is in blush. Now this one has floating plates, it has an infrared heat technology, and it also contains an auto shut off. As you can see here, it has this digital LCD display and it goes up to 450 degrees. So if you use hair extensions, this will be perfect for you. It is so light and the heat can be adjusted. I personally like to take thinner strands of my hair so I can get the ultimate sleekness. Now, because this does have these little floating plates, what it does, it actually adjusts to your hair and gets as close to the strands as possible, which for me, I have more curly hair towards the roots and then it's a little crazy on the ends. So this just achieves such a straight and sleek look. As you can see, my hair is sleek and that's what I like. This is the type of straightener that I like to use because my hair can definitely get frizzy, it can get poofy, especially with the humidity here. I've noticed that if I take my time and I take thinner strands, it makes a difference. I've been really trying to mess around with my hair and just try different styles. I don't know if you guys have noticed in the past videos, I've been kind of braiding my hair, just trying to do something else because I'm so basic with my hair. And so what I've been doing ever since I got the straightener is I've been curling the ends just like this. And oh my goodness, this straightener is amazing. It curls the hair so easy and it doesn't tug at my hair, which is the most annoying thing out of all the straighteners that I have. This one doesn't tug, which hello, to me that's a big old thing because I'm not trying to be bald. by 35. Okay, so all I do is just straighten the rest of the hair, and then when I get to the tips, I just curl it in, and oh, my hair looks so cute. I really been liking this style on me. If you do a half ponytail or something like that, your hair will just look super cute. And as you can see, the hair is sleek, but the ends are curled, and this holds a curl for so long. I'm going to show you guys how I like to kind of layer the front pieces, or what you call the money pieces. I don't know, money, something like that. I don't know the slang, okay? But I like to take just the front pieces to the face, what it's going to frame the face, and I like to curl the hair away. And as you can see, if you just twist it a little, it gives you a nice little curl. If you're more expert with curling your hair with the straightener, then this is going to be easy peasy for you. I'm just going to curl everything that is towards my, or closest to my face, away from my face, to really just elongate the face, make it look a little bit more slim, and it just emphasizes, I feel like, the bone structure. So this is what the hair is looking like after I'm done with straightening it slash curling the ends, and I love how it looks. I feel like my hair looks very voluminous because I went in with a blow dryer first, and this is how it looks from the back. Super shiny. Oh my goodness, I was so happy. So now I'm going to show you what I would do with my hair on day 2. Since you guys ask me all the time how I keep my hair straight for so long, this is it. The blow dryer and the straightener will keep your hair straight for days, you guys. But on day 2, I usually like to switch it up, or if I don't know, my hair is just all over my face and I don't want it, I will pull it up in a messy bun. Here I'm just pulling a little bit of the hair, making it a little bit poofy. I personally don't like super sleek hair unless I'm going for a sleek bun. But this is such a cute trend. I've seen it all over TikTok, so I wanted to show you guys my take on it. I just pull out some front pieces and then some hair from the side, like the little sideburn hair. I'm going to go back with my straightener and just curl my bangs. This one I curled it too much, but as you can see, these are the kind of curls that you can get if you want to achieve such a curl. So I did go back and fix it a little bit because I don't like it that curled at the face. And then on the ends, you can just go back and recurl them. I just gave them more of a twist. Since the hair is a little messy looking, I felt like the more curled in vibe looked cuter. So definitely let me know what you guys think about this hairstyle, because I am feeling it. Now usually third day hair tends to be a little bit more oily, so I like to keep it even more away from my face. So I'm going back and just straightening the front pieces because I want to create a super sleek bun. You guys know that I love super sleek buns. I'm not going to put any hairspray or gel or anything like I typically do because my hair is freshly washed and I'm trying to enjoy it, okay? I actually don't have very oily hair. My hair is a little bit more on the dry side, but I just parted my hair in the middle, and I've seen this like low bun. I don't know how to call it, but it kind of looks like a flower. Again, I've seen it on TikTok. I'm all over TikTok every single time. But I go back with my straightener and I just kind of curl in the pieces that looked a little bit more curled, and then almost like curled the ends out, and it gave me such a cute like 90s vibe. I was so in love with this look. So let me know if you're gonna try any of these styles, and definitely check out KOSA's. Everything will be linked in the description box down below. I hope you guys enjoyed my updated hair styling routine, plus some cute summer styles to try out. Thank you all so much for watching, and until next time, I will see you in my next video. Bye.